Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies in Minecraft. To begin, you will need to gather your essential ingredients. First, collect wheat by planting seeds and waiting for the crops to fully grow. You will also need cocoa beans, which are typically found growing on cocoa pods attached to the trunks of jungle trees. Gathering these two items is your first step towards a sweet treat. Now that you have your ingredients, it is time to craft. Open your crafting table, which provides a 3x3 grid. In the middle row, place one wheat in the first slot, followed by one cocoa bean in the second slot, and then another wheat in the third slot. This specific arrangement will yield 8 cookies, ready for you to collect and enjoy. Once crafted, your cookies are ready to be eaten. Each cookie restores 2 hunger points, which is 1/10 of your total hunger bar, and provides 0.4 saturation points. While not the most filling food, they are a quick snack. You can also buy 18 cookies from a journeyman-level farmer villager for 3 emeralds. Remember, never feed cookies to your pet parrots, as they are harmful to them. In summary, making cookies in Minecraft is a straightforward process once you locate a jungle biome for cocoa beans. After obtaining your first cocoa beans, you can easily farm more by planting them on jungle wood. Combined with readily available wheat, you can craft 8 cookies at a time. These sweet treats are a simple and fun way to quickly restore a small amount of hunger during your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.